Welcome back to Beardchanics Garage. In this episode we are going to review a magnetic phone mount for Audi A3, S3 or RS3. So that's the one that fits between the two air vents in the middle of your dashboard. Let's have a look at what's in the kit. So we've got our kit here, made in China obviously. There will be a link in the description. Comes with two little magnetic plates which have the S logo on as well. For me, what I'll be interested to see is whether the magnet works through the case of the phone, so we don't have to have this on our phone all the time. There we go, so that's it out. This one works like a ball, sort of like a ball system here. I had another one, because you can get other specific one, which is kind of like a claw one, and I insert a picture. But they're rubbish. On the downside of them was that the screw here at the back never stayed tight. So, you know, when you moved it around, it will get loose, and then, you know, you will have to pull your vent out and extract it again and stuff like that. But anyway, so those one to install, it's quite easy. Stop it. Just squeeze your nail behind, and then you should be able to just move it around. You don't need to pull them out properly all the way. If you're wondering why my vent looks different, it's because I customize it. I'll put a link in the corner if you want to go check out how to do that. I think this should be enough. And then we just a little bit more. This one a bit more as well. And there we go. After you just push them back in. And there we go. So now, the idea is you take one of those plates, you stick it. Where are you opening? Ah, I've pressed on this. Go away. Good, good. So quite strong, eh? Anyway, let me put you down. Try to put it sort of center-ish. Oh yeah, much better. Definitely worth putting on the case. And it's already gone off the case. So, not great. And the trouble with the case being cloth. Much better. Just need to like make it, press it hard and stuff. If you've got a smooth case, it'll probably be better. I've got the worst case for it. There we go. Feels nice and sturdy on there. Much better than the claw one. Here the sticker seems to work alright. At least it's nice and discreet. I couldn't find one without the S. I think there is some, but they look more flimsy, when this one looks quite good. So yeah, here's a look at the final product. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. You know, that was just a quick one. You know, it's an interesting product. It's quite practical. I like it. It integrates, you know, your phone charger nicely rather than having on your windscreen. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Sorry, I got distracted by the phone. Bye bye.